Life is not a straight path. It is a winding road filled with peaks and valleys, triumphs and setbacks. At times it can feel overwhelming. As if the weight of the world is on your shoulders, you may find yourself stuck in a rut, feeling like you've lost control, or wondering why things aren't going. Life can feel chaotic and overwhelming. You might find yourself drifting from one day to the next, reacting to whatever comes your way, rather than activation of success. And it's what separates those who achieve their goals from those who don't. The key to developing discipline is to establish routines and habits that align with your goals. Start small and focus on consistency. Whether it's waking up early, exercising, reading, or working on a skill, these daily habits will compound over time. The more you practice discipline, the easier it becomes. Discipline is not about perfection, it's about progress. It's about showing up every day, even when it's hard. And when you do, you'll find that you're capable of far more than you ever imagined. Surround yourself with positive influences. The people you surround yourself with have a profound impact on your mindset and behavior. If you're constantly surrounded by negativity, it's going to be much harder to stay focused on your goals. But if you surround yourself with positive, supportive individuals, you'll find it easier to stay motivated and inspired. Seek out people who challenge you to be better, who encourage you to pursue your dreams, and who support you when things get tough. Distance yourself from those who drag you down or reinforce negative patterns. Remember, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Choose wisely. Positive influences aren't just limited to the people in your life. They can also include the books you read, the podcasts you listen to, and the content you consume. Fill your mind with ideas and inspiration that align with your goals, and you'll find it easier to stay on track. In the end, rebuilding your life is not just about changing your circumstances. It's about changing yourself. And when you surround yourself with positive influences, you create an environment that supports and nurtures that change. Rebuilding your life is not an overnight process, nor is it a linear journey. It requires courage, effort, and a willingness to face the unknown. But if you're willing to take responsibility for your life, set meaningful goals, embrace suffering as a path to growth, develop discipline, and surround yourself with positive influences, you can transform your life in ways you never thought possible. The road ahead will not be easy, but it will be worth it. Every step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to the life you want to live. Remember, you are the author of your own story. The past does not define you, it prepares you. The future is not something that happens to you, it's something you create. So, stop making excuses. Stop waiting for the perfect moment or the right circumstances. The time to rebuild your life is now. Take that first step, no matter how small, and keep moving forward. You have the power to change your life, but it starts with you. No excuses. Rebuild your life one day at a time and watch as the pieces fall into place. Thank you.